back. A few weeks ago, well, a few episodes ago, you would have seen that I took apart the rear caliper, which was in a very sorry state. Obviously, not realising how bad it was, obviously I've had to order the parts, so I've ordered a new seal kit, which has turned up. I've gone with the TRK kit again, which is what I used in the front. Again, from Wemoto, they are local to me, so I use them quite a lot. But a great kit. As I say, link in the description below where you can get these kits. But basically, from where we left off when I took it apart, obviously I've still got these pins to get out. I'm going to run these under the parts washer, give them a good clean out, brush them down. The pistons I've actually managed to save, they weren't that bad, it was just grime. So they've come up quite nice, so I can use them. As I say, and the new kit. Again, should be the same as the front kit. So we got two seals and dust seals, 38mm. Free sticker, go on the toolbox. Red rubber grease. Stainless steel bleed nipples. As I said, there's two in here, you have to bleed them separately, and the bleed nipple covers. And again, splitter seal and the copper washers for the brake line. Obviously only one splitter seal in this one, which is there. So basically that's what we're left with on the bench. So first of all, I'm going to start cleaning these two paths up. Alright, so I'm just going to start off with a small brush. Looking a lot cleaner. Right, give the other half a go. Alright, that's about it. Let's get these dried off. Alright, so that's one side cleaned up. Looking a lot better. And that's the other side, again, a lot better. Just need to give these a bit of a rub down. Alright, just put another coat on the calipers. Just got to let them dry, so they're coming up a lot better. Excuse me. paint fumes. Yeah, they're coming up a lot better. So obviously I can't do much now until they've dried off. So I'll continue that when they're dry. Alright, calipers are now dry. As you saw in the last clip, I just sprayed them. They've actually had a couple of days to dry. So everything's on the bench, basically all cleaned up, ready to put back together. Giving the bolts a quick clean up. So same as we've done before in previous videos with caliper rebuilds. Split seal. That's the first one in. Same again with the next one. Piston just pops in there nicely. Alright, move that to one side. Same again with the other side. Again, that one's seated nicely. it goes. Just wipe off the excess. Split seals in place. Obviously the only thing I'm not going to do at the moment is put the brake pads in. Just going to leave it loose as now. So I'm just going to pop the ARP in back in. Obviously the calipers will come at a later stage. Sorry, the again messing my words up. The brake pads will come later. Right, basically that is the finished article. Which actually hasn't come out too bad. As I say, I've just got the pads to fit, so I've left the two clips out. But again, quite a simple installation. I say I'll leave a link in the description below to the TRK kit. I said I used that on the fronts, so I've just gone ahead, Same again on the rears. But basically that's ready to go back in when the bike gets put back together. Oh, so that's another job ticked off the list. Pleased with how that's come out. Any questions in the comments box below. Subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of every video, so please like and subscribe. I'm also on Patreon. Any donations gratefully accepted. To the patrons I do have, thank you very much for your help and your support. It is moving me forward. It's helping me to buy, as I say, all the odd little bits of consumables that I need, sandpaper, gloves, etc. So much appreciated. Join me again in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.